Black Friday is the perfect opportunity to look into a new AR pistol. The example I have here is our 10.5 inch with the new hex rail. So you get M-LOK at the 3, 6, and 9 position and a full length Picatinny up top for all of your lasers, lights, and accessories. And this one features an adjustable SP tactical brace. The great part about this is it's a great starting point for you guys looking to build out an AR pistol. You can mount all your accessories on there. Comes with mil-spec parts, so you can change those out and upgrade it as you see fit. We appreciate you following along this Black Friday. If you want to stay up to date on everything else this year, then be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more.